This video, I will guide you some of the ways to see deleted messages on your WhatsApp. If you want to see you recently deleted messages on your WhatsApp, then this video is for you. First of all, go to your WhatsApp and hit on the settings which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and from there select chats and see if chat backup is turned on or not. To see it, go through the chat backup, and here you can see auto backup is turned off. If it is turned off, then you cannot really see the data, but if it is turned on and it is either into daily or weekly or monthly, then you can see it in your iDrive. It will be saved in your drive. So go to your iCloud drive and there you will see all the messages, or you can also simply remove the app and then reinstall. When you reinstall, it will automatically be there. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.